Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this week's version of Nickels and Dimes, our weekly video series. The quote of the week this week comes from Ben Franklin, who says, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Most people, in my experience, do not plan for proper market downturns. In other words, they have not reviewed their portfolio or really don't have the ideal portfolio to protect their money to withstand major market downtrends. I've been doing this for over 20 years. That is my experience. People love to make money in the markets, but sometimes, and many times, we forget we also have to protect when things are not good. Now, the reality is, as I mentioned, most people don't prepare prior to a market downturn. For example, down here in Florida, we have hurricanes. And when we have hurricanes, we have some advance notice and we prepare. What do? We go to the grocery store, we stock up for goods. Maybe we put our shutters up, we get gas. The point is that we have some advance notice and we prepare for that hurricane. But with the market, you may say, well, Chris, we can't prepare. We don't know when the market's going to tank. We don't know when the economy is going to really tank. So how do I prepare with my portfolio like I do for a hurricane? Well, the reality is you should have your portfolio reviewed at least once a year to identify if you're taking more risk than you should be, more risk than you're comfortable with. Some people, the market's been phenomenal for the last 11 years. Since March of 2009, generally speaking, the market has overall been good. I know we had some short-term downturns in the meantime, but we have not seen a negative market in a long time, okay? So I think this time is different. Now, the question is, what do you do? What do you do from now? You've lost, what do you do? Do you sit and wait it out? Do you, sell? What do you do? So if you are younger, if maybe you're 30s and 40s, maybe now's a good time to enter as stocks are cheaper. Secondly, if you are retired, if you are closer to retirement or in retirement, preservation mode is number one. So again, it depends on your situation, what you do. Here's what I would suggest. If you would like a second opinion on your portfolio, just to see if you are in the right stocks, bonds, whatever, you could send me an email at cnichols@nicholswealth.com. We are happy to help. Don't sit on your hands. Don't do nothing. Take advantage of a second opinion. Send me an email, and we're happy to help. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.